All right, let's get started. The first step is to chop the ingredients. You'll need a cutting board, a kitchen knife, and a sieve. First, peel the onion. Cut the peeled onion into 1 1/2 inch wedges. Peel the potatoes. Cut the peeled potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Peel the garlic. Cut the peeled garlic in half lengthwise. Cut the chorizo into round slices. Cut each slice into 4 quarters. Drain the liquid off the lentils using the sieve. That's it for preparations. Now it's time to sauté the vegetables. You'll need a saucepan. Pour the olive oil into the saucepan and place it over moderate heat. Sauté the onion and garlic until they're fragrant. Add the potatoes and continue to sauté. Add the chorizo and sauté it briefly. Add the drained lentils and sauté them until they're fully coated in oil. Add the paprika and the bay leaf. Stir in the chicken stock thoroughly. Place the lid on the saucepan and simmer over low heat for about 10 minutes until the potatoes are soft. Season to taste with some salt. Pour into serving bowls and sprinkle some breadcrumbs on top. It's ready to eat. Nice work!